to look on the positive side, or just I wanted to fly. But the more I thought about it, I finally made the no-go decision. No, this is not right. Hello Aviator, Ben YouTube followers. I must apologize that you haven't seen any new videos in the past few weeks because my airplane, my baby, has been in the shop for the annual, and unfortunately it's taking longer than I wanted, and subsequently I haven't been flying, so don't have any videos for you. However, I just wanted to give you an update. Anyway, just to cut to the chase, so my airplane was supposed to be ready yesterday, and when I came to the airport, starting the plane, I could not start it. It took me about 6-7 times. The battery went down, so I had to boost it, and finally was able to start it. So I figured, okay, maybe it's been there a long time, cold, but it just wouldn't start. And the funny part is that the mechanic told me that on the phone that the people that worked on the plane, they had to make a timing adjustment on the magnetos, and that should improve my starting. Well, it turns out it made it much worse. Like I said, I could not start the plane. It took me many tries. Finally, I actually had to get a car booster to, and thank goodness that I have a 12 volt, to start the plane. So far, not so good, but again, I didn't feel that things are going well, but I said, okay, let me just go through the whole thing. So I finally started the plane, taxied to the run-up area, started the run-up procedure, and one of the first things is to do magnetos check. I should tell you that normally my magnetos, they drop left and right, maybe 20 RPM, that's it. This time, when I did the test, they dropped 200 RPM. My POH says it's anywhere from 50 to 175 max. So I was debating, is it really 200? Maybe it's trying to look on the positive side, or just I wanted to fly. But the more I thought about it, I finally made the no-go decision. No, this is not right. I also remembered once that I watched on YouTube a video about an incident where the guy, after taking his plane from his annual, that he noticed that RPM drop was slightly different, more than normal. But he decided to say, nah, it's okay, it's 100, because he was used to 50. Well, 100 drop is okay, I can live with that. But when he went up in the air, all of a sudden the engine started to hesitate, and he had to make an emergency landing. So I remember that was stuck in the back of my head, and I said, no, there's no way I'm gonna go, especially this type of change between, from 20 to 200, which is over the past the beyond the envelope. So I said, no way, I'm not, and I turned back and informed my mechanics. So hopefully they'll get around to it in the next few days. I'll keep you posted, and hopefully it'll be rectified, the issue. And I'll be able to fly again soon and produce more videos that you'll enjoy watching. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.